How to make $1,000 a day. How are you doing? My name is Terkon and I'm known as Jamaica Income Guy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a website that allows anyone to make over $1,000 even more a day online. Okay? And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel by clicking right here on the subscribe button. And remember to click the bell icon to get notified of any video I upload as soon as I upload it. And remember, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 a day or even more. So guys, what you need to do, you need to visit this website. You need to go to www.clickbank.com. And when you get there, if you don't have a clickbank account, what you can do, you can click right here to create a clickbank account. So you click on create account and it's going to take you to a page where you fill out all the information, all the necessary information that you need to fill out. First, you're going to fill out your country, the first name, the last name, the phone number, the email address and the password, and move on to the next step. As soon as you have your clickbank account and on their dashboard, you want to know that you fill out all the necessary information that you need to fill out. And when you have a clickbank account and on their dashboard, what you need to do next is go to the marketplace. So you're going to click on affiliate marketplace right there. And I'm going to show you to find the product that allow you to earn $1,000 a day or even more. And when you click on the affiliate marketplace, what you're going to do next, you're going to hit search right here. When you hit search, what you're going to do, this drop down arrow right here, where you see popularity, you're going to hit the drop down arrow and click on average sale. When you click on average sale, that's how you find the product that allow you to earn big money online. In clickbank, you can make $1,000 a day every single day just by promoting clickbank product. You can make over $1,000. As you can see, these products, when you promote these products, you earn over $1,000. This product alone pay $1,859.15. So if you promote this product, this is the amount you will earn just by promoting this product. And if you can make a sale for this product every single day, you will make over $1,000 every single day just by promoting clickbank product. Okay, so you can see you have a tons of product that you can choose right here that allow you to earn over $1,000 online. So what you need to do to find your link, your promotion link, all you need to get, I'm going to show you how you need to get that link to start promoting that link. So what you need to do, you're going to click right here and promote. When you click right here and promote, it's going to ask you for your account nickname. So you're going to put your account nickname right here. As you can see, this product allow you to earn 50% commission for every customer you refer to this product. So to get your link, to get your affiliate link to start earning money from this product, what you need to do, you need to click on generate ad link. When you click on generate ad link, it's going to give you a link that you can go ahead and promote and this is the link right here. So what you're going to do, you're going to copy your hot link. So you're going to click right here and copy that hot links. As you can see, you have successfully copied your hot link. So that is the link you want to promote, and anytime someone buy from that link, you're going to earn over $1,000. So if you're interested in knowing how you can go ahead and promote that link so you can earn that $1,000 or more a day, what you need to do is just hit the like button and subscribe. I need more info, and I'm going to send you the info step by step what you need to do to promote that link. Okay, and remember, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, because I always do video like this, how to go about making money online and so much more. Okay, have a nice day.